Hello, this is Austin with DS Diving. I've got a 31-foot Sea Ridge QC video. Slip 42, Bulls Bay Marina. Let's have a look at her. See this right here, Kenny? This is when you're to use some of that muriatic acid to brighten this up. This, right here, this little white line, I'm pretty sure that's how white that line used to be. Right there. So, putting a little bit of that spray muriatic acid on there, we'll get that off. You got some fur on here. Hate to be nitpicky, but now I feel like you're in that stage where you've already learned the basics. Now let's hurry up and get some of them finer details in there. So muriatic acid on this. What I was pointing out on the prop was there's quite a bit of barnacle glue left on there. Barnacle glue left on the hole, okay. Barnacle glue left on the prop, no good. So hope you watched the video, hope you learned a few things, and let's get these boats fixed up.